Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 303. It is a one box 2016 autograph Leaf jersey break. All the teams are on the left. Michael D has Arizona. It's cut off a little bit on the top. Good luck to everybody. And here we go. Hopefully this is sick as the last two. This is box 4 of the case. The first one was a Y.A. Tittle for the Giants. The second one was a Troy Aikman for Dallas. The third one was Todd Gurley for the Rams. All right, seal box. You can see the seal there. All right, good luck. Good luck to all of you. Number 304 is already listed in the store. You can see the seal there. All right, somebody type rip. All I need is a rip and I'll rip it. Thank you. Good luck. All right, here we go. Wow. Another Giant. Congrats to the Giants. Lawrence Taylor. Give me 1 second. Wow, this is heavy too. There's his auto. Sweet signature. Congrats. DC, that's you. Congrats. And there is the Leaf authentication right there. The serial number's in there. I do not like to take these things out, but what I do is look to see if it's any kind of special jersey on the inside. Unless you want it all the way out, I prefer not to because I don't want to fold it and all that. But it's got his numbers on the shoulders, and I do not think this is a stat jersey. It's not, but it's still cool. Sweet. Well, congrats, DC. That will be going out hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Wednesday. If not Wednesday, Thursday. I got a lot of labels and a lot of wrapping to do to get it mailed out, but it'll be out in the next couple of days. All right, let me put it back in there for him. Let me make a note of who that goes to. That concludes break 303. Thanks again for the fill. And the winner of the jersey was William B. with the Giants.